Ooh, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you are having a wonderful day. We're going to be hanging out as well. I wanted to take a break today and not stream, but I just can't leave you guys hanging like that. I saw a lot of people had questions. A lot of people wanted to learn. I got a lot of people buying the book, and I'm here to be of service to you as I do each and every single day. So let's go ahead here and let me just log onto the YouTube on my phone, make sure the audio is good. Why don't you guys go ahead and let me know where you are tuning in from tonight. I'm going to put your names up on the screen. And then we are going to go ahead and entice some of our friends to come over here. We're going to say this. Live now. Come for giveaways. Boom. There we go. All right. So there we go. So let's get you guys up here on the screen. So we have Craig right here, my brother from the UK. Welcome back, brother. I really, really appreciate you, Craig. Thanks so much for everything you do. Fabian from Westchester. Randy from Atlanta. Trent from Michigan. Bakery, one from Canada. Sashikant from New Jersey. Rami from High. What's up? High is a good place to be. Elio from Maryland. Suman from Fremont. Clark from West Palm Beach. Sean from Killeen. Sital from New Jersey. Jail from Puerto Rico. This brother right here, he's from the land of making money, so that's good. Kanika, hello, Rich. Hello, how are you? And let's do one more, guys. Boom. And Brown Ocean from Brooklyn, welcome. Thank you guys for being here. Let's get a lot of education. Let's get this going. So first and foremost, before class starts, all right, how many of you brought your copy of the book today? Hit me with a 1 if you brought your copy of the book. You know, you got to come prepared to class, guys. You guys want to learn. You want to get your degree in trading. You know, you want to work. You want to know what's good. You got to bring the materials. So hit me with a 1 if you brought your book to class today. Good. You guys are all getting brownie points, all you guys. I know the guys that watch my stream and the gals that watch my stream, I know you guys are serious about this, and this is not entertainment for you. This is something that you want to do to help achieve your dreams. And that's why I'm here every single day. Okay? All right. So for those asking where to purchase, boom, here, in the chat, right? Tradingwars.com/options trading. You get 1 month free in the private swing room and Discord. I mean, guys, I don't have to give 1 month free in the private room and Discord, but I want you, if you're going to buy my book, I want you to actually be a part of the community and practice with the community and learn with the community. Come to the Discord, guys. Look at all the alerts that we have here. Come over and learn. Like, there's no point in getting a book if you can't learn. You get my indicators, Nirvana and the golden indicators, and you can set alerts up with those indicators. You could be in the washroom and you can get an alert inside bar and you can take a trade. You know what I mean, guys? Over 75 detailed charts with videos, guys. Come on. That's a freebie right there. Check this out. Clean. All right. So there we go. So grab your copy if you haven't. I'm just going to say this right now. I'm not going to keep the price at $99.99 for much longer because of the fact that there's a lot of value. I put a lot of effort into this book. I know what I'm worth, guys. Other people are selling this for $5,000 or selling some moving average cross bullshit for $5,000. All right. So I'm just keeping it like this for now, just so we release. But after that, guys, I think I'm good. I think I'm done writing books. I feel like I've covered everything that I want to talk about. I have my first book, The Golden Partnership, with the fibs and automated trading. And then I have this one right here, guys, with the drill down. I feel like I'm good. I feel like I'm good right now. Okay. So I just want to, I'm so excited because the next chapter for me, the first thing was everyone had questions when we first started on this journey. Everybody wanted help and guidance. So that's why I wrote the books. I wrote the books so you have me wherever you go. You have me in your pocket. You have me in your backpack. And you have me there to help you through the books. But now, guys, guess what time it is? Guess what time it is right now? It's time to make money right now. That's all I care about now for the rest of the year. Okay, you'll have people that say, guys, it's not about the money. It's not about the money. Oh, it's not about, it is about the money. Because if it wasn't about the money, you wouldn't be here right now. We're all trying to get better in life. We're all trying to achieve our financial goals. We're all trying to be better people, and we're all trying to, create wealth for our families, for our children, for the next generation. We're pushing for the top of the ladder. So that's all I care about for the rest of the year, guys. I'm going to be refining, getting better, automating, and just trying to make as much money as I can. All the content is there now. You guys have it. You're going to trade. You can trade along with me. You can follow my swings. You can do whatever, guys. But I just want to focus on making money. That's what I care about right now. Because when you come from a place of struggle, when you come from a place where you don't have money, then it's important. A lot of people understate the value of having money. But let me tell you something. Without money, you can't do anything in this world. Okay? Try not paying your mortgage, see what's going to happen. Try not paying your car payment, see what's going to happen. Try not paying the tax man, see what's going to happen. So we got to get out of this mindset. Everybody has this mindset. Oh, money is bad. Money's the root of all evil, blah, blah, blah. Get rid of that. Get rid of that, guys. That's why people don't have money, because they think like that. We're trying to grow. We're trying to add value to everybody around us and be of service to our community and to the youth. And through that, through helping others achieve money, we will achieve money also. But the most important thing about me, guys, is I want to practice what I preach. And you guys already know on my website, I have all of my swing trades. Every single one is posted there with detailed records that everybody can follow. Okay? So let me just stop sharing screen for 1 second, because I got to close all this noise in the background. I'm sorry, guys. Let me stop sharing for 1 second, okay? But I'm going to keep talking. So what I'm saying here, guys, is we got to keep pushing for our goals and our dreams, and we got to make it happen. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Boom. All right, there we go. All right, so what we're going to do here is actually I want to start off with SPY today. SPY was beautiful today. A lot of people that trade with me, a lot of people that trade in my rooms and stuff, a lot of people trade SPY every single day. And I'll tell you guys a story. I used to trade just the E-mini S&P 500 futures for a long time. And I traded it. I traded it. I took $5,000 into 80,000 back in the day. And, the thing is, I just kind of got bored of trading futures and SPY over and over again. But now that I'm locked and loaded back into just let's make money mode, I'm going to be bringing back SPY a lot. It is very underrated. Very, very underrated. All right. And I have a whole channel in the Discord dedicated to SPY alerts. So these are all inside bars for SPY, 5, 15, 30, and hourly. Okay. Every day. All right. Boom. We got our brother here, Jonathan, with the $5 super sticker. Let me check on the phone. Just check out what the super sticker is. Keep it up. All right, bro. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, brother. All right. So let's talk about this right now and step into the war zone. All right. Let's do it. So here we go. First, let's actually, so SPY is not an inside bar yesterday. It's not. Okay. SPY was not an inside bar. Let's get rid of these and let's look at it. So SPY was not an inside bar yesterday, but it was very close to being an inside bar. Okay. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to go down to the 5 and we're going to treat this range. You can play the range of SPY every single day. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be a precondition with SPY. You just have to tweak it a little bit. And that's another topic for another day. But let's just talk about the setups from a fractal perspective. First bar comes in, okay, a little outside bar followed by an inside bar. What pattern is that, guys? Get the pen and the pad out. What pattern is that right now? Write it down. What pattern is that one, guys? So we have a nice outside bar. It's breaking the last candles high and low. Boom. And then we come up right off the bat with a nice inside bar. What is that pattern? And then let's just go into the Discord, make sure. So here we go. Here's the alert. SPY inside bar, 5 minute. Okay. Oops. What is that? Holy Grail, Holy Grail. Good. So we got the Holy Grail. So now the question is, how do we trade the Holy Grail? Well, what we can do here with the Holy Grail, guys, is if we want to be aggressive, we can use this inside bar as the trigger. Break below short, break above high. If we want to be conservative, we can use the outside bar as a trigger. Break below the outside bar long, short, break above the outside bar long. So let's go ahead. Boom. We trigger in right there. We break through that low. Bam, bam. There we go. Already paid. Okay. That with options, that's a good 30, 40%, maybe a little bit less, but definitely some good money right there. Got the 199 here to win big with the super sticker. Work. Thank you very much. Appreciate that dearly. All right. So there we go, guys. There's the first winner right there. That's pretty clean. I mean, doesn't get better than that. And then here we go again. So what do I always say about the market? We're looking for about 2 legs. So we have that push down and this little pause right here. So right here, guys, right around here is where I'm going to be looking to get out of the majority of those plays. We have another inside bar here, guys. So here's the first entry is right here. Okay. If you missed that one, you can try this one down here. Okay, let's go to the alerts. Make sure there's another one right there. Make sure it's all coming through for you guys. And then let's keep going. So right around here, pretty much want to be covered everything. We could use the fib to help us with the guidance. Boom, right there. So right around here, you see how we tagged the 272 when we pop. There was some algos trying to buy there. But pretty much just to be safe, we want to be out right around there. Okay, guys? And then, as you can see, in this case, we actually come all the way down to the 50 and we tag that. So let's go. Okay, so we had another leg, but you know, the highest probability is going to be this part right here. Okay, this other little piece right here is not really the highest probability. And if you've already gone from here to here, you're probably close to 70 to 100% gain already, depending on your entry. So you want to just pretty much take off the most as you can. If you want to keep a run around, that's totally fine, right? That's totally fine, but you got to pay this yourself the bulk of everything. Then we continue. Okay. We have a nice little inside bar down here as well. Okay. And then we're starting to just chop. See, like this is what we call the afternoon chop, right? Right after that first hour, we start to get choppy. So that's why, you know, the first hour is always going to have clean plays. Okay. And we're just going sideways for a bit. And now we start to pick up. So this inside bar here was also a winner, guys. So far on the day, 3 inside bars, all 3 winners. I mean, it does not get any better than that. Really does not get any better than that. Look at this. Inside bar, inside bar, inside bar on the 5. There was one on the 15 and the 30. We can look at that after, but those are all winners so far on the 5. And then let me speed up a little bit. Okay, so this one didn't really work, but like later in the day, you got to be careful, right? You don't want to be taking everything and anything. And then what is this? What about that? What is this pattern, guys? Who knows what that one is? So Kevin, about your question about the strikes and your question about the strikes and the expiry, I wrote all of that in my book, brother. Okay, I wrote about all that in my book. So there we go, guys. There's the Nirvana. So I'm sure all of you have the Nirvana on your chart by now. Beautiful Nirvana. I mean, doesn't get any better than that. Look at this Nirvana here, guys. Bam. There we go. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. These are the type of days, guys, where sometimes I just want to look at the chart and I want to actually just cry. Seriously. Because it's like I work so hard to build these things. I work so hard. I test and test. I put my own money on the line, guys. I put my own money, $100,000 on the line to use these things, to try to have a dream, to find a way to make another source of income. It's such a hard thing to do, guys. I'm just going to tell you, it's been a hard battle, guys. Hard battle for me in my life. Hard. It's not been easy. So when I see the product of my labor, it just makes me feel so happy, guys. Right? And obviously, guys, I'm not saying it's going to win 100% of the time. I'm not going to say like it's amazing, it's magic. It's not. But what's the goal here? What's the real goal? What's the real goal? Write it down now. What's the real goal? Get the pen and the pad out now. It's a pen and pad alert. It's a pen and pad alert. Okay? Can I get a pen and pad alert in the chat? Okay? So let me know when you have the pen and the pad out, and we're going to write this out. I'm going to write it down here. Okay. So the tools in our toolbox is, we have, let's just talk about it from a fractal nature. We have Holy Grail, inside bar, double. And now we have Nirvana. But what's a goal here? The goal is this. Positive. Spell that wrong. Positive risk to reward and expectancy. Okay. Now with a 2-to-1 RR, how much wins do we need? Help me. How much wins do we need with the 2-to-1? Somebody help me. What's the number, guys? How many wins do we need with a 2-to-1 risk to reward to make a profit? 34. There we go. What about, what about with the 3-to-1? 34 out of 100 needed. What about 3-to-1? I think it's 24. Could be wrong. I think it's 24. I can't remember. Well, it's okay. We got to pull up the book. Let me pull up the book here and we will look at it together. The reason why I don't really always talk about the 3-to-1 is because it depends on the strategy. Sometimes the strategy is not going to be conducive to a 3-to-1. It depends. Why can't I open this? 1 second, guys. We got the flow data there. There we go. So 65. Let's get it there. So this is what we really need to be thinking about, guys. This is what, let's just take a second. Let's look at this. My brother said page 65 in the book. Thank you very much, brother. This is what we need to be looking at. Let me ask you a question. Anywhere on this chart, do you see something that says you need to win 100% of the time? What do you guys think? Does anywhere on this chart tell you you need to win 100% of the time? But guess what? What do most traders think they need to do? Most traders think they need to win every single trade. And because of that, that is the biggest flaw of traders, especially new traders. And you know why? One word. FOMO. FOMO is the biggest killer of accounts. And guess why? Because I'm the only one that's going to sit down here with a risk to reward table and explain it to you without trying to pump stuff and tell you that I have a 100% win rate. That's why nobody talks about this. Nobody wants to. Everybody wants to say that their strategy is 100% effective. You just have to buy this algo and pay $599 a month, or you can sign up for the masterclass, which is $5,000. And let me tell you, if you get the masterclass, it's going to be 100%. That's what they want. That's what they want you to think, guys. That's what they want you to think. It's pretty embarrassing. It's so sad. It's really sad. But you guys know better. So whether you have the book or you don't have the book, take a screenshot of this. It's also in my newsletter. And I need you to just focus on this, and I need you to clear the noise. And this is what else I need you to do. Anyone you're following on social media, whether it's on Twitter, Instagram, or wherever, YouTube, if anyone is making you feel FOMO, including myself, if anyone is making you feel FOMO, including myself, just mute them. You don't have to unfollow them. Let's say you still want to follow them to show support. Just mute them. Psychological part of trading is very, very underrated. Very. Hit me with a 4 if you guys agree. Hit me with a 4 if you guys agree. This is what we really need to be focused on. Boom. Catching rockets with $5. They're all liars. You're the best. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Honestly, guys, I might not be the best out there. Honestly, I don't know. There might be somebody that's way better than me, guys, but there might be somebody that's way better than me out there, guys, but I'm the only one that's actually trying to teach you it. You know? Craig with the $1. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate that very, very much. I think it's euro, right? I got to get that right. It's one thing to have a strategy that really works, but it's another thing to be willing to share it with people. Let me ask you guys a question. Honest questions. These big investment companies, these big banking companies, etc., if they have an algorithm that's producing $1 million a day, are they going to share it with you? Are they going to share it with you guys? Let's be real. What do you guys think? I don't think I'm the best. I really don't. I know there's algorithms that trade better than me for sure. But the question is this: what can the retail person do? That's the question. There's going to be better robots than me. There's going to be better traders than me, but they all might be greedy pigs. So, if that's the case, they're not adding any value to the society. Boom. Vic Patel here with the 5 for teaching us unconditionally. Hats off. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you. All right, so let's go back to the chart where we were. Josh, let me put up Josh's question here because it's important. A lot of us have full daytime jobs and are unable to actively trade during the day. How can we benefit from the indicators while not having much time during trading hours? Brother, this is exactly why I do. That's why I created the swing trading room. You don't have to join it. I'm not saying you have to. You can do that. What I'm trying to tell you is that you can put your trades on the weekend and let them execute during the week. I'm pretty sure you have an hour on Sunday or Saturday where you can set it aside. You can set your trades in your broker. You can put your right risk in that you need, and then you can let it autopilot during the week. That's what it's about. Now, the best performance is always going to be a mixture of day trades and swing trades. Always. Because the reason is this. Boom. Neek one with the $2. Way to go. Thank you so much, brother. Appreciate that. The difference is the main reason is this. A lot of the times in the stock market, and let me know if you guys agreed with me. A lot of times in the stock market, moves happen overnight. You'll wake up all of a sudden the market's gapping up. So who made the money? So let me know if you guys agree. The swing traders made the money. So a lot of the times the moves can come overnight. But that's also a double-edged sword. Because it could be a gap overnight. But you want to take advantage of being able to take advantage if you're on the right side of the gap and make money overnight. And then you need to still execute from a day trading perspective, because sometimes if you're on the wrong side of a swing trade, you can actually day trade to hedge yourself. Does that make sense? So let's say you're long on a swing trade and it's not working out, but then you get a nice ORB for the short on the day trade. So essentially you're hedging yourself. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say there? Because if it goes up, you're still going to make money with the swing. But if it goes down, you have protection because you're actually shorting on a lower time frame just for a day trade, and you'll be out by the end of the day. Does that make sense? Get the pen and the pad out, because that's actually something very important that I just said. It's called hedging. Boom. Brother right here, Jamail Bay, the $5. Appreciate you teaching, bro. Appreciate you, brother. Very much. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you. All right. So hit me with the 2 if you guys understand what I'm talking about there with hedging. Yeah. Sometimes it can go sideways. Yes, that's correct. And sideways, everybody loses. Unless you're doing advanced option strategies where sideways actually makes you money. That's another thing. If you're selling premium. I haven't gotten to that yet, but eventually when I open that closet door, it's going to be wild. All right, good. All right, so there we go. So boom, 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 pretty good. And let's actually go through the picks from yesterday that played out today, and let's discuss. So, as you guys know that have the book, or the guys that follow here this channel often, we have the range expansion. So I have Bank of America right here. We have the range expansion. So here's the previous day's range. It's an inside bar range. And I just took the Fibonacci, I expanded it over here. And we can see right here, this is the 618 extension of this range. And so right off the bat, we see Bank of America with a nice gap up, push up. And this is something I posted on Twitter. Right here, we got that inside bar confirmation as well. So for the reversal traders here on Bank of America, this was a solid trade. Nice limit order up here, taking it back down to the gap fill down here, right? So the gap fill is always going to be one of your big targets, okay? Boom, fishing with Jay, $2. Colado Cubana shot for you. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. I'll be taking some shots tomorrow from my birthday. So there we go. That's pretty much the best trade with the reversal there. These inside bars, guys, were really hard to play with Bank of America, a little bit chop. But otherwise than that, something that I always look at, guys, is these gaps. See this one right here? This is a gap fill. You see here's the open gap, and we fill the gap right there. We put in a nice hammer, and we go. This is a pattern that's very, very reliable. So I just wanted to point that out for you guys. That's another tool in the toolbox. I used to trade gaps a lot. But otherwise than that, guys, outside the Fibonacci reversal, there's not really anything to, if one thing that I was thinking about today is, so, with the trigger, if it gaps above, right, we can wait for the retest, right? So this is the retest. You can see it right here. You see we pull back in, we touch the trigger again, because now you see the trigger is near the previous day's high. So this area is going to act as a support as well as the gap fill, potentially, maybe about 60% of the time. So when we start coming back in here, guys, and we come back to the trigger, you can get back in here, okay? You just have to make sure that your stop is a decent size. Generally, what I do with the stops is I look for like a block of support, like a shelf. You see right here, this is a whole block right here of support. Try to get your stop loss somewhere down there, or you can use the Fibonacci's as your stops. So this one was a little bit tougher, but if you played the retest, that could have been a good winner. Just definitely tough though. All right, Comcast. So let's go to the daily and talk about this one. Hit the market replay. All right. So Comcast had the Holy Grail chart. So which is an outside bar followed by an inside bar. So we had the Holy Grail. Thanks, guys, for the birthday wishes. I appreciate that, man. For my birthday, honestly, the book has been such a success. I already got my birthday wish. But here we go. So we got the outside bar with the inside bar. So that's the Holy Grail. And basically right there, what we're trying to say is that we had a big range expansion and then a contraction. Okay. So what that means is that after this big range, obviously the option premium prices are going to be expensive because of the volatility. However, when we have an inside bar the next day, it starts to tighten up and some of that premium gets killed. Okay. So this is what we call the precondition, right? This is what I talk about in my book. This is the precondition to a trade. We need a prerequisite, a precondition to enter a trade. We can't just enter any and every trade. We need a reason. Because if we enter every trade, we're going to blow up our account. All right, so we go to the 5-minute right here, guys. Let's discuss. So here are the triggers here and here. Boom. First 5-minute bar, nothing. Another one, trying to push up. Then we get an inside bar. So right here, guys, we have a beautiful inside bar. Let's go to the alerts, make sure that that came through. Boom, right there, right off the bat. Nice inside bar. How do we play this bar? How can we play this bar right here, guys? Well, we can take the break out of the bar. If it breaks below the low, we can short buy puts. Breaks above the high, we can buy calls, go long. Okay, boom, there we go. Nice breakdown, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now here's the second leg right here coming in. Take the Fibonacci, measure the leg. So there we go, 50. So my targets are somewhere down here. And there we go. So tagging our targets right there. Beautiful. So that's a clean trade right there. We have another inside bar that comes in here. 10:35. Let's make sure that alert came through right there. Boom. And then we continue. And we even had a third leg. So third leg is rare, but you know, that's why you could leave a little bit of runners on. And then guys, let me just expand this out here. Check that out. We come right to the 50% extension. We tag it once, we tag it twice, and we get a hammer bar right here. So anytime we get this much buyers stepping on these extensions, it's a good chance that that could be the low of the day. It's a good chance because you could see, right? Look at the buyers, boom, boom, boom. And this one is a very important wick because it actually breaks through the low and then it turns around. So it traps anybody that was still trying to be greedy with the short. But I mean, you made good money already with the short if you took these inside bars. Boom, boom, great money. And then here we go. Let me just fast forward. Bam. All right. So then we had a holy grail setup near the middle of the day. Depending on where your stop is, if you were a little bit wider, you might have still been able to live in this one. But we started to get you start to see, right? This is what we call a V bottom, right? You guys can see there's a V bottom like this. Okay. Beautiful. So that was pretty clean. Comcast, very clean, very simple. Inside bars doing well. Fibonacci's doing well. So, and I just wanted to speak a little bit about the V bottom. When we have a V bottom, usually what happens is this: every inside bar, when it breaks to the upside, it'll just keep squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. Because what happens here is, so anyone that was greedy with their short play earlier on the day, eventually when we start coming back here, they are going to have to start covering at break even, or they're going to have to get it out because they realize that they gave away all of this profit. So that's why we could start to see a V bottom like this. And then look at these inside bars on the way up. Boom, 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 boom. As soon as we start coming back and breaking the highs, we have a nice squeeze. That's a V bottom. Beautiful. All right. So there is Comcast. Hit me with a 5 if you're okay with that one. Hit me with a 5. The orb did not work on this one at all. Let's go to 3-minute. No, orbs just didn't work. Unfortunate. Okay, good. Next one, Moderna. So Moderna, here's the trigger right here, guys. So Moderna was a beautiful just trigger breakout right off of the open. Gave a little good push here. Let's draw the Fibonacci from the previous day so we can use this for target placement. There we go. So you can see, right? This is why I always tell you guys, I even wrote about this in the book. Use these Fibonacci targets of the previous day's range for areas to get out. So when you take the trigger right here, wham, you're in the trigger, bam. And then you're like, oh, where do I get out? Where do I get out? Use the targets on the way up to get out. Scale out, scale out, scale out, scale out, boom. Okay? So the trigger was clean. And then if we draw the intraday Fibonacci from my first book right here, intraday, boom, you can see this one, man. This is a very, very beautiful one because check this out, guys. The 50% Fibonacci lines up with the trigger. So this is like an A+ setup. 50% lines up with the trigger and an inside bar on there. Beautiful. Okay. So you get the break, you make money right off the bat there. You get the retest, good to go. Okay. What I really like about this one was actually on the 3-minute chart. No, not this one. Sorry, it's the other one. It's fubo. But anyways, yeah, you could have done an orb here. You would have made a little bit. Check this one out here, guys. Right at the high of the day, you get a nice double inside bar. See that? Nice double inside bar right at the high of the day. That's a nice push down. Good, 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 good. But you could see like all of the rejection here. If you really try to understand the psychology of this trade, look at how many inside bars are showing up near the highs. That's just a clue that you're losing steam. And then when we come back near the trigger, look at all the inside bars that are popping up here. You could see we're building steam, right? That's what the inside bar is trying to show. It's trying to show that we have indecision on the chart and we're trying to figure out a resolution. Okay, fubo. All right. So same thing with fubo, guys. So fubo was, here's the trigger right here. So let me go to the 5 minute first. Here's the yellow trigger. So this one, guys, very hard because it did break the trigger and it turned around right away. So this one is hard to really make money on the 5 minute. I'll be honest with you. Very, very, very difficult to make money on the 5 with fubo on the trigger because you just break and then you just flop, right? But check out the 3 minute. So here's the 3 minute. Here's the opening range breakout right there, guys. 9:30. Look at this. Here's the opening range breakout. You see a lot of people have been talking to me about the 3 minute chart, and I'm going to be trading a lot more on it and incorporating it a lot more. But check that out. Opening range breakout, take the break of that high, great money. And then guess what we have right at the top of the range? Nirvana pattern right there, guys. Okay. So we have a Nirvana here for a scalp, and we have a nice Nirvana right here, guys. And that's a nice short on the way down. Really, really good. Really, really clean. Okay. So yeah, that's really clean right there. I like that. On the 5, let's see. So on the 5, it was a little bit more difficult because remember, the bigger time frames you go on, the bigger the bars are going to be, right? So, but it's a double-edged sword. I will say that. All right. So PayPal was the bonus pick for the members. So PayPal was the bonus pick in the Discord for the members, and it was a very beautiful trade on PayPal. You guys know I love trading PayPal. I love the name because I believe in the company for the long term. I have long-term investments, so I don't mind also day trading it too when I can. So here we go, guys. So what I was really looking at the most on PayPal today was actually because it opened really in the middle of the range right here near the lower end. I had this Fibonacci drawn the previous day's low to high. This is what we call the Fibonacci range play, right? And as you can see right here, guys, we had this beautiful touch of the 786 as well as the opening range breakout. Both make good money. And then if you miss that play, no problem. We could draw the intraday leg from low to high right here, guys. This is beautiful. Look at this. It's almost, oh my God. Hold on 1 second. Let me make sure I do it perfectly. Low is 280.39. I might have to turn off the stream after this, guys, because this might be giving away too much secrets. So 280.39. The high right there is 283.40. Look at this, guys. Do you see? Oh my God, this is my masterpiece right here. Check this out. So we had that push up, guys. We came to the 618. Look at this. The 618 is 281.54. The low of this candle is 281.53. That's just beautiful, guys. That is the algorithm stepping in. And then everybody asked me, Rich, where did you get the 10% from? Where did you get the 10% extension? This is where I got the 10% extension from testing and from trading. And I'm so happy to see it work perfectly today. The 10% is 283.70. And the high of this candle is 283.69, guys. Beautiful. So we have this leg here. We pushed the 10% extension. This is why I always talk about this extension. And guess what? If you don't want to take the extension, no problem. We have a double inside bar pattern right at the extension. Fractal trading doesn't get any better than that. We have the breakdown right there. Nice, nice, beautiful follow through. And guess what, guys? If you don't want to take that, we have the Nirvana right here sitting for you into the close. And a nice little inside bar here. Nice scalps down there. Good. But it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for this. So grateful for the work that I put in and that I could finally reach an audience and share my knowledge. I'm happy. I'm grateful for this. All right. So hit me with the 7 if you guys are good. Are you good? You feeling okay with those recaps? Boom, Fractal with Nirvana. Let's shout out his brother right here, Roman Empire. He's one of my mods in my room. Really appreciate him. Thank you. Appreciate all of my mods, everyone that is in there helping new traders and all that. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. All right. So we did the recap. Tomorrow we have Apple. Let's go to the daily. We have Apple with a beautiful double hammer inside bar. See that one? That's going to be a nice play tomorrow. Facebook with the same kind of setup. SPY with the same kind of setup. And Snap with an actual Nirvana into Holy Grail. So I should really come up with a new name for this one here. This is the Ragnarok. I believe, I think I already called it Ragnarok. Yeah, this is Ragnarok right here. So we have the Ragnarok pattern on Snap, inside bar, outside bar, inside bar. Very beautiful. So those are the four. I might post bonus picks if we get enough. I already posted some bonus picks for the members in the Discord, but I might post more on the free channel a little bit later tonight. How to decide 5-minute or 3-minute? Beautiful. I'm so happy that you guys are asking these questions, because check this out right now. First of all, hit me with the 8 if your mind is blown. Hit me with the 8. Boom, we got the $4 super sticker from my brother TK up in here. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you so much. Let me just see what it is. Oh, Cup of Joe. All right. So to end this stream tonight, my friends, we will be doing a challenge actually. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to get a pen and a pad alert right now. Okay. We're going to get a pen and pad alert right now. I wonder if I can find this. I'm trying to pull up something here, but I don't think I have it prepared. Okay, we'll do it next time, but I'll talk about the challenge right now. All right, so here we go. So everybody has the pen and the pad. Amit, can you please share these scripts for Tradingview? It is shared, brother. The free versions are in my Discord as well as the paid versions. All right. Yes. All right. So first thing on the pen and pad is that we're gonna be doing some big giveaways on Sunday Stock Talk. We're gonna be doing some big giveaways, and just to give back to the community. We're not like these other channels, guys. We don't take the money and run. We take the money and we help. All right. So we're gonna be doing some giveaways on Sunday. So write that down. But the next thing is this. So hold up. 99 cents here from my brother Benoit Cadet. Boom. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate you. So this is what we're going to be doing. For the next few months, we're going to be really focusing on getting more data together as a team. Okay. We're going to be getting more data as a team. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to investigate all the charts. We're going to do everything. We're going to back test. We're going to put it down. We're going to trade, and we're going to do it down. So this is what I'm doing. So all of my trades, I already have them logged, like all the ones I took for the year. I always do that. Boom, Jonathan right here with $5. Let's put Nirvana to work tomorrow. How do we know when we draw the fib from top or bottom, vice versa? Thanks, Rich. Thanks, brother. It depends on the first leg of the day, right? So I talk about that a lot. The first leg of the day, that's the way you want to look at for where you're going to draw the leg from. The first push, where's the push going, up or down? Anyways, so what I want to do right here is, bro, I'm not sure if you have a girlfriend or married, but if you call everyone bro, you'll never find a girl. Well, I'm married, brother, so I don't think that's gonna be a problem for me. But anyways, this is what we're gonna do. So I have all my data from the swings. Let's pull it up right here, tradingwars.com. So I have all my data here for the swings. So these are all of my trades right here: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So what I'm doing now is I have a spreadsheet with all these trades, and I'm going to combine them in there and put them together. And what I'm trying to do now is I'm just trying to do little tweaks here and there, little tweaks. So this is the challenge to you guys. All your trades that you're taking, I want you to log them. I want you to say this. What's the precondition? What is the entry style? Is it a trigger? Is it a fractal? Is it an orb? What is the time frame? Is it a 5 or 3 minute or 15? And I want you to start tracking your results and just start keeping your data. I'm going to be keeping my data. Lil bro is going to be keeping his data. Everybody's going to be keeping their data. And what we're going to do as a community, and we're going to come together, and what we're going to do is we're going to put that consolidated, and we're just going to do little tweaks here and there. So for example, well, which Fibonacci target we're going to use? Where are we going to move the stop loss up? When can we move the stop loss up? Blah, blah, blah. All of these things, guys, I go through in a lot of detail. But I'm challenging you, okay? Because let me explain something to you. I can't trade every single time frame, every single thing. I can't. It's impossible. I can't. But we can collectively, as a community, cover a lot of ground. There's 264 people in here. We can collectively cover a lot of ground. So let's do that together. I want you guys to come on Sunday Stock Talks, say, hey, Rich, I took 10 orbs on the 3-minute chart, blah, blah, blah. This is what I did. I did this, the fibs, blah, blah, blah. I did that and I did that, right? I want you guys to come together as a community, and I want you guys to share the data, and we can keep going. All right? That's the game plan. That's what we need to do to go to the next level, man. There's like, I have my legacy. I have my books. I have my indicators. There's no one that's doing stuff like me. Now we just need to tweak things a little bit. So like, you know how you guys are always asking me, guys, should I do the 5 minutes? Should I do the 3 minutes? Should I do the 15? Should I do the 2? Should I do the 1? The truth of the matter is they all work. They all have winning streaks and losing streaks. So we have to collectively, as a community, keep the data coming. The data is what's important. The data is going to tell us what to do. We don't care about emotion. We don't care about what we think. We care about what the data says. Okay? Boom. 99 cents from brother here, Clark Rodriguez. Thank you so much, sir. Boom. All right. So what do you guys think about that? Right? Hit me real quick with a comment, with a like, and a subscribe. And we got a brother here, Rep. Put him up in here. So we got a brother right here, Ricardo. Ricardo is very active in the Discord. He's been a mod for a long time. From day one, he's helped me build this channel. He's very good. He has his own little styles. I'm going to be interviewing him soon. So he's on the 8-minute chart. You see what I'm saying, guys? He's on the 8-minute. Okay? So, guys, there's no limit to this stuff. There's none. Some guy told me the other day, instead of using the hourly, to use the 90-minute or something. I can't remember what he told me. But let's do it, man. Let's just go for our dreams, guys. I want you to feel what I'm saying. Feel it through the microphone right now. Just feel it. Let's go for our dreams. Let's find the edge. Let's do it together. Forget about everybody else. Mute everybody else. Let's just focus on ourselves. Focus on ourselves, guys. Focus together as a team. Let's do this together. We don't need nobody else. Okay? Hit me with a 7. Hit me with a 7 if you want to do the teamwork. Hit me with a 7. So someone said 65-minute chart. Let me add that. That's what makes Tradingview amazing, guys, because you can add anything you want. There we go, 65. So a 65-minute chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I forgot what's the benefit of this again. I think it gives us an even amount of time in each bar, right? Yes, I believe so. But anyways, we'll be going through it. 65 would be more even number of bars. Yes, there you go. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So why don't we? Okay, let's just have some fun. All right. Let's look at all the Nirvanas. Let's take off the. No, okay. Let's leave them on. Let's look at all the Nirvanas on the hourly chart for Snap. and then you guys tell me what you think. Okay, let's just look at the ones we have here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5. I gotta take this stream off right now, guys, because this is looking too real right now. All right. 7 bars to an account for an extra 30 minutes. All right. So trial number 1. So this would have been right off the gate on the 15th of September. The inside bar was really from the previous day's close, and then we had an outside bar right at the open. So first question, can we make money on this trade right now? Could we have made money on this trade? Yes or no? Just so hit me with a 1 if yes. Okay, we're going to go through this quickly. So hit me with a 1 if yes. What do you guys think? Okay, good. Next. What about this one? Can we hit that with, can you hit me with a 1 if that's a winner? Yes. What about this one? Is that a winner? Yes. Continue. So this one is technically a winner. Nice little push into the close. There we go. Winner. This one, what I would say is a loser. This one, winner. And this one, winner. I mean, what else do I got to say to you guys? I don't know what else to tell you. There's no subjectivity here, guys. It is or it isn't. We don't have to do this. We don't have to do this stuff. We don't need to. So what I'm trying to say here, let's get the data. Somebody do the 65-minute chart. Somebody do something else. I don't care. What I'm teaching you right now is what I did in order to become a good trader and to basically build my skills. And I'm showing you the way. But it's up to you to put in the time. You do an hour a day of backtesting, guys, an hour a day of documentation. That's going to go a very long way in this game. All right? So this is just crazy. So just hit me with a 4 right now if your mind is blown. Hit me with a 4 for the 4 horsemen, and hit me with a 4 if your mind is blown. 4 for Ric Flair and the 4 horsemen, and 4 if your mind is blown. Beauty. So there it is, guys. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for sharing, guys, your time frames and all that. Thank you. It's all about helping each other to grow and add value to each other. That's what we try to do in this community. Okay? So that's it for me. I don't really have anything else to add. The challenge is 100 trades of one thing, document it. You don't have to risk money. You can just paper trade it, whatever you want to do, and get it down on an Excel file, take some screenshots, and continue. Let's just continue to put the data together and help each other out. Okay. Beauty. All right. So let's give the floor to little bro here. See if he has anything to say. Anything I forgot?
What's up? I'd say the biggest thing is this Sunday is the massive giveaway, guys. So make sure you're signed up on the pinned tweet on Richard's main account. Make sure you're signed up. We got lifetime memberships, we got books, we got cash, we got anything and everything. So Sunday is the big giveaway. And also, the book is on sale, guys. We need to emphasize that it is on sale. So this weekend, it's on sale until Monday. Get it, grab it. We got it.
Yeah.
And it's been fun. These past couple of days, the picks have been very interesting. I'm going to start backtesting the triggers more specifically. I'm going to figure out if we want to take the breakout, want to take the reversal, which is better? Are they both good? Are they both perfectly fine? Whatever. So that's my goal for the next couple of months. And I'll be definitely sharing my story with all the backtesting and all the data. So I look forward to it. Yep. Thank you so much, guys.
Beautiful. Exactly, guys. That's how we do it. So, guys, if you want to be considered in the giveaway, make sure you sign up and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. You know what it is. The channel has been blowing up and it's been because of you guys. All right. So let's keep going because eventually, guys, we might just hit it. We might just hit the algo. We might. And if we do, we're going to be, you guys are all going to be a part of the journey. You guys are going to be the ones that help me get there. So I very much appreciate if you comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have been doing great. Honest to God, you guys have been doing great. So, but go ahead and help me out there. And that's it, guys, man. I really wish I could just spend more time with you guys, but I really want to get back to the grinding that I used to do a lot. I spend a lot of time educating these days, but I need to get back to the grinding. I need to go back into the back cave and I need to find ways to make more money. Pretty much. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you. Have a great night. And we'll see you tomorrow for Lotto Friday. Take care.